What's up, guys? Today's a nice day, so I'm planning to set up a 20 by 40 by myself. It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're going to talk about a 20 by 40 pole tent, which is my new tent. It's the biggest one that I own yet to date for my small rental company. So, long story short is I own a bartending company, a photo booth company, and a party rental company. And ever since I got into tents, I realized that tents is the biggest moneymaker. Tents equals tables, equals chairs, equals basically they order everything from you.
They order everything.
And then everything follows. So if you start at the top of the totem pole with the tent, then they will get everything underneath it. So I'm telling you right now, go out there, get a tent and rent tents, and the rest will come. I made $1,500 and a little bit more off of that rental alone. So I'm going to go through and show you how much work goes into a 20 by 40 pole tent done all by yourself. Let's get into it. Woo! 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 There she is, my biggest tent to date, 20 by 40 canopy pole tent. I'm planning to set up a 20 by 40
by myself.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do this video, some of it in first person shooter style. All right, tent's loaded in, walls are loaded in. Let's do the rest. Okay, so we need 120 feet of perimeter lights.
So we'll grab those.
Oh, just shinned myself. Do you ever have someone that you just dislike so much that you wish that they would get a receiver ball in the shin? Yeah, me neither. All right, van's loaded up, so let's load up the trailer. Okay, trailers were loaded up, 9 tables, 50 chairs, 20 by 40 tent, and some lights. Okay, I've got the 20 by 40 spread. Now I'm gonna lay out the hardware and the poles. Okay, so I've got the hardware laid out. I've got 2 stakes on the corners, then a stake at every pole, and then I've got a pole at every joint around. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 poles. And then there's going to be 3 center poles made up of 6 total pieces. Ratchets are down around the whole tent. So let's put a stake through a ratchet, hammer it in, and hammer in all the stakes. 5 feet, that's the sweet spot. That's where we're gonna hammer in our stakes. Okay, hook on the ratchets and gonna put the poles under. All right, so we've got poles under the 4 corners here. Let's put the center poles in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sub to my channel if you want to see more of this content on a regular basis. And as always, you stay classy.